Catherine, we'll direct the first question to you, and we'll start at a high level. Part of your role at the NRF is related to trends, research, and insights, which certainly are important to retailers to represent their interests. Can you talk a little bit about how you and the NRF view the impact of weather across the retail industry and how that affects the members that you serve?
Of course. So weather is something we've been starting to pay closer attention to over the last, I would say, 7 or so years, for a couple of reasons. One, we tell the story of the industry, and when major weather impacts occur, one of the questions that happens is what is going on with retail? How is this going to impact retail sales? How are retailers responding? And secondly, is because we are also always striving to deliver better value to our members and help them understand the factors impacting their business. And in today's environment, where it's highly competitive, where it's increasingly easy for new entrants to come into the market, every little bit of data and information on your customer, on your business helps. And so weather and understanding weather can be a competitive edge. We first started this by really looking at and thinking about the impact of major weather events, because that's what we were thinking about. But, as we've worked on this issue more closely, and certainly it's something we actually released a report with Planalytics this past year, looking at how retailers can think about planning for unprecedented weather events, because you may not be able to predict when the next hurricane is going to happen, but it's going to happen. And you can start to think about what to expect leading up to that, during the event, and after, to make sure that you're delivering the best value for your customers, your business. And certainly, retailers do a lot to help with rescue events, to help with support during these times as well. So that was our initial focus. But the more we've talked to Planalytics, the more we talked to our members, we also saw the need to talk about the daily impact of weather and how much that drives sales. I think in the report we say, something like 90% of I'm forgetting the exact stat. I should know this off the top of my head. Yep. Of weather volatility is sort of day to day. And, a snowy day might make you get hot chocolate instead of an iced coffee, or might redirect your path. And so we've been paying a lot more attention to those daily impacts as well, and looking to really follow how that shapes the consumer and therefore the industry.